Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by connecting and authorizing the microphone so you can speak to YouTube TV. First, attach the mic. Plug a USB mic into the TV, pair a Bluetooth remote, or open the YouTube TV app on your phone to use its mic. Once connected, make sure you grant microphone permission in the device settings, otherwise the app can't hear you. Now that permissions are allowed and the mic is active, move on to selecting it as the input source and testing a quick voice command. Once done, select the microphone as the active input in the TV or app. On many smart TVs, you open settings voice or input, and on mobile you pick the casting device and enable the phone mic. Then test with a clear, short command, say search comedies or play CNN, to confirm recognition. If commands are muffled, make sure to adjust mic sensitivity or gain in the device menu. This reduces background noise and improves recognition for longer. Complex requests. To finish, save your changes and restart the YouTube TV app or the entire device so the new mic settings take effect. If voice commands still fail, swap to another microphone type. For example, use your phone as the mic via casting, because that isolates whether the mic or the TV is the issue. If problems persist, reboot the device and re-grant microphone permission. This single troubleshooting step resets many common connection and permission errors, and usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.